Deep within the Earth, the journey of titanium begins. Raw ore is meticulously refined into grade 5 titanium sponge, foundational for future devices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Skilled American workers meticulously monitor the precise heating process. Precision robotics position the raw titanium, preparing it for the immense power of the forging press. Under colossal pressure, molten titanium takes the first precise shape of the iPhone frame. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Precision 5-axis CNC machines meticulously sculpt grade 5 titanium, crafting the iPhone's durable frame. Every detail from antenna bands to speaker grills is carved with sub-micron accuracy. The robust grade 5 titanium frame central to the iPhone's design takes shape. Skilled operators ensure every machine runs flawlessly, upholding rigorous standards. This blend of human skill and advanced technology defines iPhone manufacturing. Proprietary bonding agents are precisely applied, ensuring optimal adhesion and structural integrity. Grade 5 titanium frames are prepared for fusion, a testament to robust engineering. Under precise heat and pressure, grade 5 titanium fuses with aluminum for unparalleled strength. Precision quality control ensures every iPhone 17 Pro Max meets rigorous standards. Every detail is scrutinized, ensuring unparalleled build quality and durability. Precision robotics ensure the delicate journey of wafers through our advanced fabrication facility. At the heart of innovation, the 2-in-millimeter photolithography process begins. Thousands of hours of meticulous work create the foundation of tomorrow's technology. Every circuit is a testament to micron-level engineering. The silicon brain begins to take form, a marvel of miniaturization. From raw silicon to powerful microchip, the journey embodies relentless innovation. Precision diamond saws meticulously slice each silicon wafer, revealing the advanced 18 Pro dies. Each wafer yields hundreds of microscopic A19 Pro dies, each a powerful brain for future devices. Robotic precision ensures each delicate A19 Pro die is carefully lifted and placed for the next manufacturing stage. Precision engineering defines the core of the A19 Pro chipset and high-density storage integration. The advanced SMT machine places components with astonishing speed and accuracy. Each component is meticulously placed, forming the intricate circuitry of the device's brain. Technicians maintain vigilant oversight, ensuring every placement is flawless. Through precise thermal processes, chips are permanently bonded, creating a robust foundation. The intricate logic board, now fully populated, awaits rigorous performance validation. Every component undergoes rigorous scrutiny, ensuring flawless performance for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Expert eyes detect the minutest details, ensuring every device meets stringent quality standards. The advanced display integration begins as flexible OLED panels are precisely aligned. A specialized machine laminates the 120 Hz ProMotion layer, enhancing touch responsiveness. The ultra-hard ceramic shield is fused, creating an exceptionally durable front surface. Under-display Face ID components are integrated, enabling secure and seamless authentication. Precision engineering ensures every component of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is perfectly integrated. The tiny dot projector is precisely aligned, ensuring flawless Face ID functionality. The infrared camera, critical for Face ID, is delicately installed next. Each display undergoes a rigorous optical inspection to verify flawless integration. The completed display module is now ready for full device assembly. Precision robotics initiate the vital display bonding in a pristine factory environment. The advanced display and ceramic shield are meticulously aligned for fusion in a vacuum environment. Inside the vacuum, advanced optical bonding eliminates all air and dust particles for a flawless fusion. Each display undergoes rigorous automated optical inspection to ensure absolute perfection. Advanced light analysis ensures every display meets perfect color accuracy and pixel integrity. Under-display Face ID components are meticulously tested for seamless operation. Precision assembly begins in the sterile clean room. The advanced tetraprism lens is prepared for integration. Micro tools ensure perfect alignment and secure fitting. Submicron precision is achieved for unparalleled spatial video. Precision begins with active alignment, ensuring every lens performs flawlessly. Real-time data visualizes the sub-micron accuracy achieved during calibration. Each lens is meticulously positioned for unparalleled optical performance. This rigorous process enables groundbreaking spatial video capture. Submicron precision ensures every spatial video capture is of the highest fidelity. Rigorous checks guarantee every unit delivers unparalleled image stability. Precision robotics meticulously install the high-capacity battery. The chassis is hermetically sealed, ensuring IP68 water resistance. Robotic precision begins the intricate assembly process in a sterile environment. The high-capacity battery is meticulously seated, ensuring optimal power delivery. The Taptic engine is carefully embedded, delivering precise haptic feedback. Precision robots prepare the advanced display for its final integration. Delicate ribbon cables are precisely connected, enabling critical functionality. The display is sealed, completing the robust, water-resistant enclosure. Precision engineering seals the iPhone, guaranteeing its legendary water resistance. The automated press descends, hermetically sealing the device with unwavering force. With its IP68 rating secured, the iPhone is ready for the next rigorous testing phase.